Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can deactivate Messenger account on your device. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First thing, you need to log into a Messenger account, and once you're logged into your account, you need to click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be directed to your accounts page, and on that page you need to scroll down, and right in between you'll be able to see an option as account settings. You need to click on it. So as you click on it, next interface will be directed to the settings page, and on this page you need to click on account ownership and control, and once again the page expands, and right in between you'll be able to see an option as deactivate and deletion. You need to click on it, and after that there are confirmation whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. So you have two different options selected accordingly, and after that you need to tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. In order to verify your identity, you need to provide a password associated with your Facebook or Messenger account, and once you've done that, you have successfully deactivated your account. Then after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. Meanwhile, if you change your mind, you can still log in within 30 days, and that is how you can deactivate your Messenger account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.